What about all of the ways that you can buy gently used or never been used products on social media, through different online websites, getting them from family members, stopping at a garage sale, whatever you want to call it? What do you caution patients about those ways of getting products?
So I generally caution to check the age of the product. As Dr. Salazar said earlier, if it's over 10 years old, it's very likely that it's not safe to be using. And then also check those reputable websites to see if these things are, in fact, recalled, and let them know. Sometimes people are good intentioned and they don't mean to be selling you a recalled product, and they just don't know. They
Right.
used it, their child turned out fine, as they will tell you. So what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is something happened from a safety standpoint to somebody else's child. That's the big deal. And the big deal is that, just as Dr. Salazar said earlier, we have so many things that we can control and so many things that we can't. So let's get the good information out there and in the hands of these consumers and these parents who do truly want what is best for their family and for their child.
So many times we want to save a few dollars, but this actually can cost us a lot more. We have to outweigh this. And that's why it's very important that we do our research. And of course, if it's at the garage sale, you can check in your phone, like making sure that this is safe. But if not, if we're searching online, first make sure this is actually has safe, it hasn't been recalled, because as I said, we want to outweigh the cost. How much more is
Yeah.
going to be for us losing our baby to something that wasn't safe? So those are the type of precautions we want to take. And of course, nowadays everything is available. And as Dr. Gloss said, they don't have bad intentions when they are selling these products.
No.
But we have to be cautious because we need to really think about the future of our child.
I would add the one thing that I would not purchase at a garage sale or over social media gently used would be a car seat.
Good
Absolutely.
point.
Yep,
Yes.
absolutely.
I don't know if people are aware, but if ever a car is in an accident, that car seat is supposed to be disposed of. A lot of people don't know that. Some will continue to use it, and that car seat might be one that they decide later, okay, my baby's outgrown it, and now I'm going to sell it, and it should never
Yeah.
be in rotation at all. So you don't know the history of a car seat that you're buying over social media or at a garage sale. So I just would not purchase a car seat.
And there are great places in different areas of the country that will help you replace that car seat at no cost for you. So we have our own resources here in LaPorte County. But when I
Yes.
was in Iowa, there were resources, and it's different depending on where you're at. So just call your doctor's office and ask them. Somebody there will know what your resources are.
Exactly.
We don't want to make you were in a car accident. That's scary. You came out of it, your car seat looks okay. But the reality is the car seats are safety tested one time. They're not safety tested
Mhm.
after a fender bender or a side crash on the opposite side of where the car seat is. And that's the big reason, again, adding that layer of why is it not safe? It looks fine. That is why, because they're not safety tested subsequently. And we want you, as the parents, to have the safest products for your children.
Yeah. And even you had mentioned earlier too about timeline with things. How long if a product, hasn't been used for 5 years? Um, when we think about siblings, those 5 years go quickly. So even car seats are different objects that we used with one child that now are no longer valid for the next child.
Yep.
And so it's always important to keep that in mind.